Apple has always been a master of the slow burn. While the rest of the tech world rushes to release half-baked prototypes, Apple tends to sit back, watch the market, and then strike with a polished product that changes everything. We saw it with the iPhone, the Apple Watch, and most recently, the Vision Pro. But while the Vision Pro is a marvel of engineering, it has one major problem. It's huge, expensive, and you can't exactly wear it to a coffee shop without looking like a sci-fi villain. This brings us to the latest buzz coming out of Cupertino, Project Atlas. Recent leaks suggest that Apple is shifting its focus from mixed reality to something much more wearable. We're talking about smart glasses. Not a bulky headset, but something that looks, feels, and acts like the glasses you already wear. Today, we're diving deep into the leaks, the strategy, and why Project Atlas might be the device that finally kills the smartphone. So what exactly is Project Atlas? According to reports from Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, who is arguably the most reliable source for Apple leaks, Project Atlas is an internal initiative aimed at researching the smart glasses market. Unlike the Vision Pro, which aims to replace your computer, Project Atlas is looking at the smart glasses category currently dominated by the Meta Ray-Bans. Apple has reportedly started conducting internal focus groups with its own employees to gather feedback on existing products in the market. Why employees? Because Apple is notoriously secretive. By using their own staff as a testbed, they can study how people actually use smart glasses throughout the day, what they like, what they hate, and most importantly, what's missing. Project Atlas isn't a product you can buy yet. It's the foundation of a new category that Apple believes will be the future of personal computing. To understand why Apple is doing this now, we have to look at Meta. For years, smart glasses were seen as a gimmick, remember Google Glass? But the Meta Ray-Bans changed the narrative. They proved that people don't necessarily want a screen floating in front of their eyes 24/7. What they want is a hands-free way to take photos, listen to music, and interact with an AI assistant. Apple saw this success and realized there's a massive gap between the basic smart glasses and the ultra-high-end Vision Pro. The goal of Project Atlas is likely to create a pair of glasses that integrates perfectly with the Apple ecosystem. Imagine glasses with built-in spatial audio, a camera that recognizes objects using Apple Intelligence, and a Siri that actually knows what you're looking at. The strategy here is simple: miniaturization. Apple wants to take the core features of the Vision Pro and shrink them down until they fit into a standard frame. It's a massive engineering challenge, but it's exactly where the industry is headed. But don't get your hopes up for a release date next month. Project Atlas is still in the early stages. The leaks suggest that Apple is facing three major hurdles: battery life, heat, and display technology. If you want true augmented reality where digital objects are pinned to the real world, you need powerful processors and bright displays. Those require a lot of power and generate a lot of heat. Putting that on your face is dangerous and uncomfortable. This is why Project Atlas might start as a light version. We might see Apple release glasses that don't have a display at all in the first generation. Instead, they would focus on cameras, microphones, and AI. By using your iPhone as the brain of the glasses via a wireless connection, Apple can keep the glasses light and stylish while still offering powerful features. The move into Project Atlas signals a pivotal moment for Apple. They know the iPhone can't stay at the top forever. The next frontier is ambient computing technology that is there when you need it, but disappears when you don't. Project Atlas is the bridge to that future. It's a sign that Apple is ready to compete in the wearable space on a much more practical level. While the Vision Pro is for the pro user, Atlas is for everyone else. As the leaks continue to pour in, one thing is clear: the battle for your face has officially begun, and Apple is playing for keeps. We'll be watching this project closely as it evolves from internal research to a household name. But what do you think? Would you trade your iPhone for a pair of Apple smart glasses? Or is the technology still too creepy for the mainstream? Let me know your thoughts. Thanks for listening.